of July.
Yep.
And we're in Michigan, obviously. And he bought some new plants. And now we're going to plant them. And it's really hot.
We have another one of these succulents.
Let's see it. Ooh. We have that one by the mailbox.
A dianthus.
Let's see. Pretty. What variety?
Coconut surprise.
Oh, just like our cat. Coconut had a surprise yesterday at the vet's.
Yep.
When he had his temperature taken. Poor
3
Coconut. Okay.
different types of hostas. Very different types.
What are they called?
I don't think this one says the name. Oh,
Whirlwind.
Let's
Blue.
see.
Oh no, Hosta Blue Hawaii. That's my favorite kind of hosta, even though it has some watermarks on it.
And this one is a hands up hosta, which is very different from others.
Yep, and the last plant?
A Palace Purple Heuchera or Coral Bells.
Yep, and we have one of those right
There.
not that big purple one, but right here. And we just planted it a few weeks ago, so it's fine. That flower is dead. Hopefully I'm supposed to do that. Oh, I see new buds. Cool.
Of course, there's sunflower seeds all over the place. Or sunflowers.
Yeah, let's just leave them.
Yeah.
The sunflowers. Where do you see one? Oh, right there. I think those got planted by the chipmunks. There are even casings right there. Oh yeah! Yay! This is the Zinfandel hydrangea. First bloom of the season, and it's like a week into, well, it's the 4th of July, so yeah, it's summer. Anything else blooming? Oh yeah. This little delphinium we saved, and the hosta we saved. That's it. Nothing else is blooming. Oh yeah!
Hosta.
This hosta has a lot of blooms on it. I don't know why people cut them off even if they just get it for foliage. That's the echinacea we saved. It looks amazing compared to how it used to look. And I always liked these in butterfly gardens, so when we saw that
And the
we
hollyhock
could get a
is
cheap
having
one, we
its
got it.
final flowers.
Look. It's us. Okay, what?
It's having its last flowers right now. There's a few left on the top.
Yeah. And these are the seed pods. I wonder if there are seeds. I wonder if we're supposed to take them off so that it produces another stalk.
Another hole right there.
Oh yeah. There's the bleeding heart. And a hole. No flowers on there yet. These need to be trimmed soon, and maybe they'll produce more. Butterfly bush has a flower. Or it already had one, but it's bigger. And there's something eating it, and if it's caterpillars, then I don't care, because that's what it's there for. Is that it? Oh, the little lime hydrangea has a bunch of buds. And even down here. This one only grows on new growth. Oh look, there's a firefly. And these are the old branches, but this is new growth, so it's blooming on that. Yay. Where is he? Oh, there they are. Hi. So that's the same one.